So just taking a quick look at Polygon then on the daily time frame. As we can see, a lot of faking out, chopping around for Polygon. This crypto really does love those Fibonacci levels, maybe more than any crypto to be honest, but you can see quite a lot of chopping around going on at the minute for Polygon. Clearly we've got this big long support level here. We've been bouncing out multiple times. You can see we actually got this fake breakout of resistance here. You can see resistance. We actually broke out here, came up, touched the 618. Lovely recently, and then obviously with Bitcoin having a bit of a downturn and coming down, consolidating and looking a little bit bearish, a lot of the altcoins got absolutely slaughtered. Polygon absolutely no exception to this either. You can see ever since we came up, we touched that 618, we came down to support, we came down, we back tested our 100 moving average after breaking down from it, and then this huge decline. Now coming up into this previous area of support as resistance here, you can see at the Fibonacci 038 at around 75 cents, back inside our big coiling motion that we've seen for Polygon as well. Overall, I still think over the next year or so this is going to have a massive run up, but right now it's still coiling and waiting to see what Bitcoin's going to do. Not too much in the realms of knowing what's going to happen next for Bitcoin. It's very unknown. Could chop sideways for a while, could have a retracement before a big pump, or just could pump to new all-time highs. It's very difficult to know right now what's going to happen with Bitcoin, but it's very likely going to affect the price of Polygon massively if we do decline. If we have a pump to the upside, we'll probably see Polygon breaking out and coming up towards its all-time high again over the next few months. So